Good morning, everyone. Getting my walk in here. We had rain overnight. Have another round of rain later on today. That ushers in another cold air mass, coldest of the season so far. Could be down close to freezing by the weekend, which I'd like to change personally after September. Also, if you're wondering what weather data I still look at in my role now, as I'll just call it recreational meteorologist, I'll have a video tomorrow that kind of goes over some of the things I use on my desktop and on my phone to gather weather information and still kind of keep in touch with that sort of thing. Boy, yesterday's St. Louis Cardinal game, wow. You know, just the stunned Braves after the first. And you know, if you just remove that first inning, that game went as the other four kind of did, and I think the Cardinals still would have won. Of course they would have, right? And on the subject of sports, the Stanley Cup is in town. That's kind of exciting. You know, I'm a newbie hockey fan. I really didn't pay attention until the Blues won. But yeah, now that I am, officially, I'm trying to make some time to go see the Stanley Cup sometime today. It's going to be at various places. I think Bass Pro Shops, a couple of the sports bars downtown, and I think on the square, but I'm sure it's on social media. But it's kind of cool to see that. Well, you might not realize this, but I also still teach class online at Missouri State University. It comes in the form now of half blocks or 8-week sort of short courses on weather and climate. Still teaching that, and I think what'll happen this time around, this starts on Monday by the way, I think what'll happen this time around is I'll start sharing, hey, here's what we're learning in class today, maybe little snippets or videos or quizzes, just to see how much the general public knows about weather and what I teach at MSU. But it's always a great time, the students love it. Oh yeah, several weeks ago I mentioned I was working on putting tile around my fireplace mantle and redoing the front porch, so those are almost done. Pretty typical for me. Actually, I'm moving along at a much faster pace on those projects than most of my house projects that I have in the works, so I'm actually kind of proud of myself. That's it for this morning. Make it a good weekend, y'all. Hope to see you out there somewhere. Have a good one.